Hi guys, welcome to this short video review about the Govee water sensors or basic water leak detectors. I've been using them for quite some time very successfully, and I just wanted to show you how they work, how easy they can be connected, and how this hub is being reused really nicely. I mean, this started actually with a really interesting story from my side. I bought a door chime, and then I didn't use it for some time. I mean, this was the part of a door chime system actually. And then maybe 1 or 2 years later, I was looking for a water detector, and I saw the thing with really good reviews, decent price. And then I was checking for the name, the brand name, and I remembered that it was the same brand name as the door chime. Then I started to dig a little bit deeper, and I found out that I can use the central hub from the original door chime actually with this water detector, because they can connect to the app, and then you get notifications regarding water leaks. That's really interesting, and I've been using one since about half a year or so, and it has been working really great. I used it in the kitchen and it alerted me a couple of times. I mean, you get the normal alerts from the speaker here like every other water detector, but the good thing is they are connected through a Wi-Fi. I mean, it's not the original Wi-Fi, of course, it's a low power connection system to this hub here, which is then connected to the app, and you get notifications here. I mean, you get the audible alerts and you get the notification here, and even in the email. So if you are away from your home or so, you can get different alerts here. That's really interesting, and it has been working really reliable. It seems to be quite easy, so I wanted to show you how this works. So because I had such good success, I decided to buy this 5 set here, and by the way, I'm not affiliated with this company. I bought this at full price, so you can see it's definitely worth it. So what we have here in the back, we have the batteries. It's actually using standard, I think, double or triple A batteries, so you don't have to be worried about buying expensive batteries or so, but they have batteries already included, so you have to just pull out this thing here and then it's active, and you don't have to be worried that the batteries are old. What we have here in the back, we have these 4 soft rubber feet, so it has a really good safe stand. That's really good. It has a little bit of a gap here, but that's no problem because we have the sensors here. It has almost same height as the feet. We have 2 sensors here, we have 2 sensors here, but we have also a sensor on the top. Of course, we have to remove the thing. So in total, we have 3 sensors. You can see that here when we come with a wet finger, it would alert this. Okay, it's a little bit loud. Yeah, I don't do this again. It would be same thing here. If it makes contact here in between or contact in here between, then it will alert. Of course, we have now to connect this to the base station, otherwise we won't get notification. You can see I have only 1 sensor here, so because the thing is really loud, I had to grab some earplugs. I hope I don't sound too silly here. So first thing what you have to do when you start with this thing, you have to find out if the batteries are good, so you can just press here and then it will beep. Yeah, that's not so loud. What you can also do is double push here to change the volume of the speaker. We start here and then it will cycle through the 3 different modes. It has a low, medium and a high. So I think that's the lowest thing. That's okay for me at the moment. Of course, I will have to reduce the audio volume here. It's not exactly what you hear on this video. I can tell you the audio alarm is really loud, especially when you have it on the highest setting. We have it actually on the lowest setting in our home, and we never missed it, so you don't have to be worried that it's not loud enough. Then I'm attaching this thing here So of course usually it's in the blue state, it's just at the beginning when it has to connect to the router, when it's doing this blinking thing. So to connect we have to press for 3 seconds, then it goes again into red, blue, blinking. We can see that here, and we push here on this button as well. So here confirmation. By the way, we have only 30 seconds time to connect this thing here. So at the moment we can't see anything. I swipe down, then hopefully it will refresh and we can see now we have an additional water sensor. It's so really super easy. So I removed the earplugs so I can understand what I'm talking, but this is really super easy. We have now 2 of these sensors. We also have the history if you want to see that. Yeah, I think we have to click on the sensor itself, and you can see the history here, what I have regarding this particular sensor. So it gives me really the history of this sensor, and you can see the last leakage was actually yesterday. My wife was doing the dishes and she was causing a little bit a mess. I mean, the sink is not fully sealed. I have to do, actually it's more my fault. I have to seal it properly. You can see it really works really good, reliable. Regarding the battery, I can't tell you something. I think I'm using it about since a year or so. Here it's saying August. Yeah, maybe that's the time when I added this thing. So I really can't remember. I have seen somebody saying it lasts a year or so, but anyway, you will get a notification, and it's AAA standard battery, so nothing expensive. You'll have to deal with it. I have now finished connecting all these 5 additional sensors, and I had already one, so you can see I have 6 water detector sensors here connected. It just took me about 1 minute to connect these additional 5 sensors. I don't know where the limit is, but it looks like at least these 6 sensors are nicely connected without any problem. If you're interested in the instructions manual, I can show you that pretty quickly what I got here. It's just a small leaflet, and there's not much, but maybe there's something which you can't find online. That's the first page here, and that's the second page with the troubleshooting, and then some customer service and some FCC statements. I guess you're not interested into that. That's even the first page, where we can also see the model type. That's the H5054. So from my side, I can actually give you full recommendation, and I'll put down the link to the Amazon listing down into the description, so you can check it out and order it right from there if you like it. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below, and I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.